Welcome JazTime lovers, this is Jenny with JazTime. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a ladies Rolex Datejust. This model here is a 31mm mid-size Datejust with a silver marker index with a fluted bezel on Jubilee bracelet. Brand new, direct from factory. This is the most timeless collection or model of all the Rolex models. It's very popular. You see a calendar at 3 o'clock here. They also call it the Cyclops Eye with a magnifying view, so you can see the date even more clearly. On the hands, there's Super-Luminova, so in the dark, I believe it lights up, so you can also see the time in the dark. In this video, I won't be showing you how to set the watch or wind the watch, but we have many other videos you can view to learn how to use a Datejust model. So this piece is very form. I love how it's all silver all the way throughout. Perfect for everyday wear. You could dress it up or down, to work or, when you just go out with your friends. And here in the back, so when you get your Rolex from us, of course it comes boxed with the Rolex green box as well. And then it comes with the Datejust Manual booklet and the warranty card. And also here a guarantee from Rolex. So here it is complete. Oh, and here's the cost certification in the serial tag. If you want to get this watch or see our other collection of watches, we carry many different brands. Please visit our website at JazTime.com. We have a low price guarantee, free shipping, as well as warranty on all our watches. Thank you for watching.